bottom of these mountains and left me out here, and I lived out here and I had to survive, how nappy do you think my hair would be when you pick me up?
As nappy as it is right now. Serpentine highway. Lady, don't play. You don't know how this American car.
Nigga, I know how to drive.
How this American car act on this road.
Canada.
Look at all these curves.
I know how to drive in Canada. I'm Canadian because I like Canadian bacon.
We are literally going up a mountain right now, like on a cable. Sky to sea. Wait, see the Sky Gondola? This is taking my breath away. Like, I feel like crying right now. This is so beautiful. You can feel the breeze. I'm a little scared though. Did your ears pop? have a baby changing station here. And that's a pretty big station to change. It's about 1.25 feet by 1.5 feet long. You have your tissue, your paper towels, that's where you waste. You don't flush that down the toilet. And you also don't flush while seated on the toilet because it's kind of like a vacuum, sort of. I don't want to scare anybody, but it's kind of like that. So you also have your soap that's attached here and the place to wash your hands, and that's what I'm about to do. And I'm also going to wash my phone. I'll wipe my phone down. I have an iPhone 10, so I could submerge it if I wanted to, but I'm not. I'm just going to wipe it around it because being in small spaces kind of make me a little claustrophobic and also germophobic, so I want to make sure that I clean my phone. Alright, so yeah, just going to give you another quick turnaround. A quick show around the restroom. This is plenty of space if you want to change a diaper or anything right here. I would definitely use a pad. Don't just lay your baby on there. And it's for 25 pounds. So yeah. I'm actually going to get some magnets. So I'm just actually going to sit my phone down here while I wash my hands.
About 30 minutes left of the flight. We're going to be able to keep outside back on. So if you need to get up one last time, this is your opportunity. Weather at the field really hasn't changed too much. Still a little bit breezier than it was, but scattered clouds, temperatures 71 degrees. Been a pleasure having you aboard today. We appreciate your business, and we hope to see you again soon. Take care.
Enjoyed this tour. I was super nervous about riding on a plane as a plus size passenger, and I just did it, and I found out that I could fit in a lot more places than I thought that I could.